Is this the right time to dive into Sui? Over the past few weeks, it feels like the crypto market is finally waking up, and leading the charge is none other than Sui. Now, if you've been following Sui, you know that in September, the price of Sui surged over 100% from its all-time low in August. This makes it the top performing crypto in the entire top 50 crypto by market cap. So today, I'm breaking down exactly why Sui is pumping, what could be driving this major rally, and what you can do right now. For those of you who don't know about the Sui Network, I've got you covered. Sui is the next gen layer 1 blockchain built to handle global adoption, focusing on security, scalability, and high performance. And the token that powers the entire Sui ecosystem, of course, is the Sui token. So, what is behind the surge? Here are a few things. First up, Grayscale Research. They just announced their top 20 list of assets with huge potentials for Q4 and beyond. And guess what? Sui made the list. This is a huge deal, guys, because Grayscale is one of the largest holders of Bitcoin and has a massive influence in the crypto market. So, they picking Sui as a high-performing asset is a major signal that big institutions could start adding Sui to their portfolios soon. Next up is Circle. They are the second largest stablecoin issuer, and they just announced that they are integrating their native USDC on the Sui network. This integration is going to bring a lot of liquidity to the network and boost Sui's utility, making transactions smoother and faster. With USDC on board, Sui is becoming even more attractive to developers and investors alike. And this one is a big one. Deepbook, the long-awaited decentralized exchange, is finally set to launch on Sui mainnet in Q4. Deepbook is designed to have a fully on-chain order book, giving it the speed and experience of a centralized exchange while keeping everything decentralized. And here is the kicker. Trading Sui on Deepbook will have some of the lowest gas fee ever seen on any blockchain. Fast, cheap, and decentralized. And there are more. Just announced, Sui is launching a project called Hop.Fun, a highly liquid protocol similar to Pump.Fun on Solana. This is expected to go live on October the 12th, and it's going to add even more momentum to the Sui ecosystem. So, with all this news, is it the best time to get into the Sui network? Let's take a look at the numbers. Sui total value locked has surpassed $1 billion for the first time. The network has over 1.5 million active addresses and is processing 4 million daily transactions. DEX trading volume has even hit a $100 million in a single day. There are huge numbers that shows that people are moving their money into the Sui network, which means opportunities are popping up. And speaking of opportunity, there is a meme coin meta happening right now on Sui. Over 1,000 meme coins were created on Sui last month alone, and many of them are actually cleaning it. But that is not all. If you are into airdrop farming, now might be the perfect time to get started on Sui. For example, Deepbook recently announced the launch of their native token, Deep, and they will be airdropping it to some early DeFi users on Sui. The snapshot, however, has already taken place, but don't worry, there are plenty more opportunities coming up, and in my next video, I will show you exactly which DeFi protocol I am farming on Sui and how you can do that too by just trading meme coins on the Sui network. If you look at the Sui chart right now, you can see that it has already gone. If you buy right now, it might just be you fulfilling the buy the rumor, sell the news thing. Areas you should consider for entry is retracement at 1.4 and even better still at 1.16 and 1.02. But like I said, in my next Sui video, which I will link in the description once it is ready, I will show practical example of how to get started on the Sui network and to start farming the opportunities that abound there. So stay subscribed and like this video so you don't miss that particular one. What you can do right now is to watch this beginner's guide on how to do spot trading and this video on how to trade futures so you can start implementing them right away in trading the Sui token.